Hi everyone, welcome back to the inventory setup series, and in today's video we're going to configure permissions, the access rights that determine what each user can see and do inside the inventory module, or who has access to the warehouse, who has access to what we have within the system. This is essential for security, accountability, and of course control. Under the inventory module, we'll proceed to the settings. Under settings, we can be able to see permissions tab on the left. And in permission tabs, when we open, we can be able to set a permission by click on the add permissions. And in add permissions, we can add the role, or it's an employee role, and who or the staff that is related to that permission role. So if we have employees, the employee name will be appearing here, and then we're able to pick the employee name. However, we have employees who are that easy to give inventory items. We can't say they can't be able to view, create, edit, what they can do on these vouchers. So different staff can have different rights on different things. So the person who's doing the packing, the person who's doing loss adjustment is not the person receiving the goods or doing accounting of the goods. And different people can have different rights within the system, as we are seeing from here. So all the staff can have different setups on how we give them the rights as employees. So once we have employees, we can have different employee names here, and we can give them specific or different rights depending on their settings. Once we've done that, we click on save, and that employee or that staff will take those, ideally will take those characteristics. To add employees quickly, we'll go under setups and we look at staff, and we're able to add, we have new staff under the role employee. So this staff, a role under employee, will be able to look at all the items on our accounting on our inventory module. Under our settings, they will have the rights to access to the warehouse, as we've given these permissions to employees in our system. And that is how we give permissions to stock. Once it's done, we save. And once it's saved, we can add additional of create and edit. Once we save, then we're able to have that employee having those power. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.